So here we have a function called print user, and that takes an object as an input parameter, and based on the different properties of that object it outputs something. Now this is fine, but there is a problem with this code. So you suppose that this object has lots of more properties, like, so as of now it has the name and age, but suppose it has more much more properties, like the, you know, the gender, the occupation, the city, address, telephones, email, all those things. So in that case, we have to do is that we have to create separate variables for each of the properties of that object, and that makes the code the bad. So there is a, cleaner way of doing the same thing. So instead of directly passing the object as a function parameter, we can remove the function like this, like we can update the function like this, where instead of passing the entire object, we can directly pass the properties of that object in the destructured manner. So we are using destructuring, and instead of passing the entire object, we are now directly destructuring different properties directly in the function parameter, and now we can directly use those uh, different properties directly in the function. So no matter how many properties does this object have, like, we do not need to create separate variables for each of those function properties, each of the object properties. And now if you just run this code, you can see this is giving the exactly same output as the previous function.